एसीएल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन सर्जरी के बाद क्या ऐसी फिजियोथेरेपी एंड एक्सरसाइजेस है जो हमें करनी चाहिए और क्या ऐसी प्रिकॉशंस है जो लेनी चाहिए जिससे कि पेशेंट कैन डायरेक्टली गो बैक टू his or her routine activities and sports activity as early as possible. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Mohit Arora. I'm working as a consultant orthopedics in Miracle Hospital, Sector 14, Gurugram. I welcome you all in this video where I'll be discussing the post-operative ACL reconstruction surgery physiotherapy protocol. Now, ACL is a very important ligament which imparts stability to the knee joint. जब कभी भी ACL tear होता है तो हम इसमें आर्थ्रोस्कोपिकली ACL रिकंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं विद अ की होल सर्जरी. Now, I divide the ACL reconstruction post surgery physiotherapy protocol into 4 parts. So, phase 1 is 0 to 1 week, phase 2 is 1 week to 6 weeks, phase 3 is 6 weeks to 3 months, and then phase 4 is 3 months to 6 months. Now, in the initial week after the surgery, there will be mild swelling and pain in the knee joint. So I tell my patient to put on the knee brace, keep the limb elevated, 2 पिलो रखने हैं पैर के नीचे, पैर की उंगली लगातार चलाते रहना है, एंकल को लगातार चलाते रहना है. Then static quadriceps exercises are taught to them with the knee brace on. They can do that conveniently as per the pain. Now I give them crutches so that they can walk as much as their pain allows them. Now initial phase we focus on full knee extension जिससे कि हमें knee straight रखनी है. Then gradually as the pain and swelling improves in the next phase we tell the patient to start bending their knee. So धीरे धीरे knee मोड़ना शुरू करते हैं जिसमें कि initially we advise them to do close knee chain exercises जिसमें कि उनका पैर जो है मोड़ते वक्त बेड पे ही रहता है, हवा में नहीं रहेगा. This is like heel slide exercises जिसमें कि उनको पैर को अपने घुटने मोड़ते हुए towards their buttock लेके आना होता है. Then there are open chain knee exercises wherein उनको हम बोलते हैं कि आपको सीधा पैर करके हवा में लटकाना है जिसे कि हम straight leg raising exercises बोलते हैं. So धीरे धीरे within 6 weeks they try to get as much flexion of the knee as possible. Then after 6 weeks we tell them to do knee proprioception exercises, knee balancing exercises to further improve their quadriceps strength. Now by that time they should be able to get rid of the crutches. They should be able to get rid of the knee brace also. Now after 3 months, once they'll achieve a certain limit, certain strength in their quadriceps, they are taught agility and plyometric exercises which include lunges, box jumps, which depends on patients requirements, if they want to go back to sports or not. Then they are advised and as per their need all these exercises. Now अब हमें क्या नहीं करना है ACL reconstruction surgery के बाद. So first thing is don't rush into contact sports. I tell them my patients to specifically wait for at least 3 months before they even start thinking of going back to contact sports. Now initially I give them knee brace to prevent any untoward or sudden knee flexion which can injure the knee. Now I tell them to constantly move their knee joint so as to prevent stiffness. So हम ये सब बातें ध्यान रख के we can make the knee ACL reconstruction surgery very successful and so that the patient is able to achieve the maximum results of the surgery. Thank you.